Alright, so we know about taking screenshots on our laptop computers. Sometimes we take those screenshots of a web page. Now, when the web page is bigger than your actual screen and you need to scroll through it, the screenshot tools that we have available on our Mac don't really help us out. So we're going to have a look at a Chrome extension called Awesome Screenshot Recorder and show you how you can use that to get your big screenshots. Let's go. As always, when we're using Chrome extensions, we need to install it. So come to the Chrome Web Store and you need to look for Awesome Screenshot. The link is on the tech tip slide, and I'll link it in the doobly-doo in the video description thingy. All right, so once you've found it, you're going to bang the Add to Chrome button. You're going to add the extension. It'll do the happy dance down here where it installs it. You need to wait a little bit. It's a bit boring. Maybe you can sing yourself a song. Here we go. That'll pop up. It'll go to this page here saying you need to sign in with Google. Look, it's up to you whether you sign in or not. This tool will work without having a Google account. What you'll find, though, is that you won't be able to save anything to your Google Drive. If you want to save it to your Google Drive, you're going to have to sign in with Google. If you know all you're going to do is just do a copy-paste kind of deal, then you don't need to sign in. I'm not going to sign in. I'm done signing into stuff with Google. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and close that. I don't want that. I don't need that anymore. Right, then I can come to my extension manager here, the old jigsaw puzzle piece, and here's the new extension that's been added. Might be a good idea to go ahead and pin that so you can always find it up on your toolbar there. All right, now we're going to jump on over to a page here that's got a ton of stuff. So we're going to imagine here that the screenshot I want actually goes beyond this bottom edge of my browser or of my screen. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the extension button here. You're going to go with capture, and we're going to go with selected area. All right, it's going to go grey. It's meant to do that. You got your crosshairs there. So you click and hold, and you drag, and you cover the space that you want. Now, you're going to keep holding down your mouse button. Oh, there you go, scrolly. Keep holding down your mouse button, and you sort of move on your trackpad or your mouse, whatever you got to position things. You can see that I've scrolled down the page a bit, and then let go of the mouse when you've got the area selected, and that'll bring up this little menu of joy down here. So go ahead and decide what you want to do. If you capture it, what it will do is open a new tab where you can annotate it and add stuff to the screenshot, or you can simply go ahead and copy it. If you copy it, that'll put it onto your clipboard, and then you can go and paste it into whatever document you're working with. I want to go ahead and capture because that gives me a few more options. Here we go. Here's the new tab that's opening up. There we go. So I've got a preview there of the screenshot that I've taken. I've got my annotation tools up here. I can crop it. I can add smiley faces, whatever it is that you need to do. So you can go ahead and you can sort of, draw things on it and do color correction and gosh knows what else. There you go. You can blur, highlight stuff. I thought it was going to blur. So highlight stuff. I want to sort of point to stuff. Go ahead and annotate it and whatnot. Zoom controls, all the rest of it. So the tools are fairly standard. Image manipulation tools. Go ahead and click the done button when you've got it. Here we go. Now you can download it. So what you do with it is going to depend on what you're ultimately hoping to do with the image. So I could download it if it's something that I want to use again, or if I'm going to add it to something where pasting it in is not an option, or I can copy it to my clipboard. If you've gone ahead and signed in with a Google account, then you can save it to the cloud. It'll go into your Google account from here. I'm just going to go to copy for now, just to show you how all this works. Let's go across to the slides here, and we'll just go and bang in a random slide, and I'm going to paste. Come on, think about it. There we go. Paste. There we go. And there we go. I've pasted in my screenshot. So it's gone beyond what was actually visible on my screen. All right. The extension's got some other features in it. feel free to go and explore those. Have a good one.